My name is Shelby Davenport. I work for Colorado Department of Transportation, and I'm a highway maintenance technician. As a highway maintenance technician, I operate anything and everything you see on the highway. We basically touch, whether it's guardrail, any kind of barriers, safety sensitive items. If there's accidents, we work out on the road. We work with other municipalities to help maintain an open roadway, snow removal. During winter operations, it's called a tow plow. So it's a tandem dump truck with standard components, and it has a trailer that articulates off hydraulics, and it drives and it takes up 2 lanes of the highway. So I'm able to plow 2 lanes of the highway all at one time. So that's what I drive whenever there's a storm out on the road. There's a lot of really, really good parts of my job. Obviously I'm out on the road every single day. I get to work in sunshine, snow, rain, kind of anything and everything. So it always keeps you on your toes. I don't generally see the same thing twice every single day. There's a different story as to why everything happens on the road. I really like plowing snow. That is one of my favorite things. So that's always something to look forward to. Middle of the year, however you want to look at that. I get to work with a lot of different people and with a lot of different job titles. So whether it's engineering or somebody at my shed or a different patrol, I guess I should say. So somebody at my patrol or a different patrol, they all know something different because we all work on different types of highways. So there's always knowledge to learn from somebody else, whether they come to me or I go to them. The most important advice I could give to any young woman starting in the construction industry is don't be intimidated. Just keep pressing and keep following. Anything and everything that you want to do, you can do it. I'm a walking story of that. So 10 years ago, I would have never thought that this is what I'd be doing. My family's a big fire family, so I thought I was going to follow with that, and I decided not to. So it was kind of just, I had all these different jobs, and I found this because of a family member, and just went on from there. It was all kind of luck getting into this position, and I'll take it. I think it's very important that CDOT has played such a huge role in the transportation and construction girl movement. It's given me opportunities that I can't even begin to tell you. We'd be here all day if I was able to sit down and really tell you everything that I've been able to do with CDOT. And like I said, I've had nothing but encouragement and just great opportunities given to me. So it's very important for girls to take these opportunities because I haven't found opportunities like this in any of the other jobs that I've had. So there's a lot of room to move up, is all I can say. And that's really cool if you do continue and you do want to pursue a big career. So that's how I look at this. It's a big career, and I've never had anything else like that. All the training that CDOT did provide for me from when I started as a temp to the position I'm in now has increased my wages by roughly 40%. So that's a pretty big leap from when I first started. I just want to thank CDOT and Transportation and Construction Girl for giving me this opportunity to come out and speak about all my experiences within the transportation industry.